Good morning, folks. This is Yoda from Modern Mopar. We're live here this morning at Southern Off-Road in Birmingham, Alabama. We're going to show you how to install this Speedlogix oil catch can on our 2015 Scat Pack Challenger. Really simple install, minimal tools needed. Basically all you need is a 12 millimeter, an 8 millimeter Allen, a pick, and a screwdriver to help you pull off the hose, the PCV hose, and an Allen wrench. That's it. The catch can kit itself is these two hoses. They replace the PCV hose. The catch can itself, that bolts it onto the block. It really is that simple. You can adjust the angle of the catch can with this Allen. No problems at all. We're going to have this thing on here in about 5 or 6 minutes, and we'll be preserving the top end of our motor. We're going to keep the oil from collecting in the top end of the motor and preserve horsepower in the long run. Also help you out with your throttle body. It won't gunk up your throttle body, cause issues with that. Really simple protection for the top end of your modern Mopar. So we're going to get started on this install. Won't take us any time at all. First thing you're going to need to do when you're installing the Speedlogix catch can, take your PCV line off. Really simple. Use this pick, use a flat blade, get in there, just kind of work this opening and pull the tube out. It's that easy. Pops right off. That simple. That's step one. Step two, flat blade screwdriver. This cap screw right here. Hold your wiring harness basically to this little bung on the block. Use this flat blade, get behind the cap screw like so, and just pry it out. It should pop right out. This is where the catch can is going to bolt into the block. It's where your mounting point is for the can itself. Really simple. Just pop that out of the way. We're ready for step three. All right, step three, 12 millimeter catch can itself. It came with the arm already tightened down on the can. So the arm, I think the can is going to be pretty much in the position that it needs to be in as far as final fitment. So it's as simple as bolt, arm. You've got all the thread in the world to get this thing tightened down in the block. If I was ranking this on a scale of 1 to 10 for difficulty of install, I'd give it a 1.2. I think there's nothing to this. Snug it down. That is going nowhere. And yeah, it's already lined up. I mean, I don't have to do anything to get this thing lined up. The only thing I've got to do now, put the lines on, we're good to go. All right, folks, can's installed, hoses come next. It's just this easy. Just pop them on. Get that down there as far as you can. Boom, done. Obviously, the new bung goes into this 90 degree here. Got to spin that a little bit just to get it to line up properly. Make sure the fittings are completely tight in here. Good to go. Sealed. And on. And we're done. It's that simple. And now this 392, the top end, the intake, the throttle body, protected. Won't get any coking, won't have any oil getting back into the intake system. We're protecting horsepower down the road. Easy install with the Speedlogix catch can. Check them out. It truly is that simple. That was about a 5-minute install. Speedlogix catch can. Just pop that little bung out of the block. Bolt goes in. Catch can's mounted up. Hoses go on. Just that simple. Like I said, we're protecting the top end of this motor for the future, saving horsepower down the road, keeping you from having to worry about cleaning up your throttle body, keeping you from having to worry about cleaning up the intake itself. It's just really cheap insurance for your modern Mopar. Can't recommend it highly enough. Check them out. This is Sean from Modern Mopar Magazine. We appreciate you tuning in. Have to thank the folks at Southern Off-Road up here in Birmingham, Alabama for letting us use the bay to make this video today. Thanks for letting us borrow the shop for a few. Much appreciated.